on that note, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to mute everybody. So what you'll see at the top of the screen is you'll see a link that starts with GOO period. So any questions that you guys have throughout anything that I'm saying, please go ahead and submit your questions there. And then also through the chat log, we've also pasted that same link. So if you want to just copy and paste it from there, that will work. That'll get you to the same place. So since you guys are pretty familiar with how that link in the question submission works, I'm not going to go into it too much, but I do want to just, I just wanted to make sure I mentioned that before we pressed on any further. All right, very good. So as we start every single session, we definitely wanted to throw in a quote here. So great things are done by a series of small things brought together. And I think that's very, it's kind of very insightful as it kind of pertains to workspaces, because, for us, workspaces are really kind of just a component of what your teams are experiencing. So today, what we're going to really focus in on is we're going to talk about the workspace editor. We're going to talk about workspace ribbon configuration, and then we're also going to talk about workspace rules. So you can see up here at the top, you actually have a choice called ribbon. So when I click on ribbon, now you're going to get the ribbon designer. And this allows you to customize every single one of these buttons that you see up here. So what's nice is that you may not want to have the option to save and close. So if I double click on home, it actually says, because this is the home tab, what I can actually do is now I can say that on the save section, these are groups, right? So here are the tabs, the groups, and then these are the individual buttons. So I can say if I click on save, because this is the group that I'm in, I have both the function of save and close. Well, maybe I don't want save and close to show anymore. So you can see by deleting that, now it only shows save.